I believe that it's incredibly important that we do replacement on the same day as we do repeal. We've had 6 years to complain, and we have complained. I've been one of those complaining about Obamacare. Replacement should be the same day. The replacement bill that we put together, our goal is to ensure the most amount of people, give access to the most amount of people at the least amount of cost. And I think this is where Obamacare failed. They wanted to insure people, their motives were good, their heart was in the right place, but they put so many mandates in it that they made it too expensive. So what's happening in the individual market, which is about 6 or 7% of the market, you have companies like Blue Cross of North Carolina losing $400 million because young, healthy people don't want to buy it because they're told, hey, you can get it anytime after you get sick. And so that they've broken the insurance model. The other problem with Obamacare is they put these mandates and said that every insurance policy has to have 10 items, things like pregnancy and dental coverage and all these things, which are great, but they add cost, and that forced people out of the market. So one of the key reforms that we'll do is we're going to legalize the sale of inexpensive insurance. That means getting rid of the Obamacare mandates on what you can buy. We're going to help people save through health savings accounts as well as a tax credit. And then one of the things that we need to talk more about, and this is the third part of the replacement bill, is we're going to allow individuals to come together in associations to buy insurance. I understand as a small business person, I had a doctor's office with 4 employees. If one of my employees got cancer, it was devastating to the bottom line, not only to them obviously, but to the bottom line of insurance. But there's no reason why someone with 4 employees shouldn't be able to join with hundreds and hundreds of other businesses that are small to become a large entity, to get leverage to bring your prices down, but also to get insurance that can't cancel you and guarantees the issue of the insurance even if you get sick.